President Biden is kicking off his first full day in office with a packed agenda. Now, much of today's focus will be on tackling the coronavirus pandemic. CBS 4's Skyler Henry is live on Capitol Hill with the details. Skyler?
Hey, Steve, good afternoon to you. Well, the honeymoon period, if you will, is over. The Biden administration already hitting the ground running, reversing many Trump-era policies, while also realizing that the administration will have to walk a fine line, if you will, in terms of trying to get bipartisan support in terms of Biden's legislative agenda. Now, happening on Capitol Hill today, members of his cabinet continuing to go through confirmation hearings. And later today, we'll hear from Dr. Anthony Fauci with what the administration plans on doing to tackle the coronavirus pandemic.
President Joe Biden began his first full day in office with a virtual prayer service. The new president is focusing on the nation's COVID-19 response. This afternoon, signing 10 executive orders which will, among other things, provide guidance to safely reopen schools, provide up to 100 million vaccine doses by the end of April, and invoke the Defense Production Act to enable that goal.
The big issue here, which may seem obvious to many, is supply. We need more supply of not just the vaccines, but the materials to get them in the arms of Americans to effectively get this done.
President Biden will also be meeting with Dr. Anthony Fauci and his coronavirus team.
President Biden says today's executive actions will help, but acknowledges he will need Congress's help to achieve these goals.
A long way to go. These are just executive actions. They are important, but we're going to need legislation for a lot of the things we're going to do.
Already, there is pushback from Senator Mitt Romney and other GOP senators to the president's proposed $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package.
We just passed a program with over $900 billion in it. I'm not looking for a new program in the immediate future.
The White House says President Biden plans to meet with congressional leaders soon to discuss how to move the package forward.
So really, this will be a test to see if Senate and really Congress can walk and chew gum at the same time here. Obviously talking about that $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief plan that the Biden administration has, but also confirming members of the cabinet, as well as what will happen with President Trump's looming Senate impeachment trial and whether enough GOP senators will vote to convict the former president. Steve?
Skyler, thanks so much.